Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get dark mode on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile page. Now from your profile page, just tap on the menu icon at the top. Now from the menu page, you can see Settings and Privacy. Just tap on that. Now from your settings and privacy, just scroll down until you see dark mode. You can easily change your TikTok account into dark mode if you use your iPad or iPhone. Now right here on dark mode, you can see light and then dark. Just tap on dark to turn it into dark mode. And that's it! It's just simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.